I'm Terry with Towers Murray Plumbing. Today we're going to show you how to fix a leaking shower faucet. Now when repairing a leaky shower faucet, first thing you want to do is remove the handle, remove the button, then remove the handle. Now there's different styles, different brands. This one's a single control shower faucet. Remove your handle. On this particular one you'll have a small tube that needs to be removed, and then a clip. Now some of them, instead of a clip, will actually have a nut that holds the cartridge in, or stem. Remove that cartridge or stem. Now some of them you may need a special tool or different tools to remove it. Once you have that removed, you take this down to the store, match it up, get you a new one, you're ready to reinstall it. And again, I'm Terry with Towers Murray Plumbing, and we just showed you how to fix a leaking shower faucet.